So, you're ready to play your favorite game, you try to log into Steam, and you get the E84 error code. There are a few possible fixes for this, but before we jump in, consider subscribing to the channel so we can keep bringing you more helpful vids just like these. Now, the first thing you want to do is make sure Steam is not down, and you can head to downdetector.com and that will let you know if there have been any reports that Steam is down. Now, if Steam is still operational and you're getting the error code on sign in, you can try resetting your password with the forgot password feature. Set your new password and try and sign in, see if that fixes your problem. If that doesn't fix the problem, we can try add a line to the Steam shortcut. So if you don't have the shortcut, simply go to local disk C, program files 86 and Steam. If you have it in a different spot, navigate to that spot and create a shortcut on your desktop. So the actual fix here is to right click on the shortcut, head to properties, under the shortcut tab, and in the line that says target, you want to add this line at the end of all this text. So leave a space after the text, then you want to type hyphen login, another space, hyphen, no React login, one word. Once you've done that, click apply and launch Steam, and hopefully that fixes the problem. I hope these helped you, and if you guys know any other possible fixes, drop them down in the comment section, and thanks for watching.